But if you don't know the real thing, how are you going to tell the counterfeit? And the same in religion. What's going on in the world today and in our country with the 267 different denominations, not to mention cults and so forth. What's the real thing? You have to know. And the more I read it, I wish I could just share it all, the more I can see that it separates the true from the false, not only as individuals between the true and the counterfeit, but also in doctrines and teachings and concepts and religious philosophies. You have the true and you have the false. And I believe it's the pastor's duty to put the present truth in remembrance. Oh, we need to be reminded of old truths too. Who God is, what his purpose is, what he did in Israel and why, and all of this. But there is a present truth that has all of the power of the fullness of God in every nook and corner and cranny of the believer's life and fellowship in the assembly. If it's not repeated and stressed, many will follow their pernicious ways. If I never get a chance to say another word of admonition, I would say to you, young and old, remember, you have the present truth. It does not do away with other truth that God has given, but you have the present truth. And it is this that the devil is working awfully hard to take from you. Because people who are supposed to be on our side, and they're using our money to teach students in our Christian colleges, are finding ways to pull the rug out from under the one who's teaching the present truth.